Yes, people. I'm not saying welcome back anymore. So what we're gonna say, here we go for another episode or another vlog. I'm really excited for this vlog. We're in the RA. We are on our way to KW Customs. Fro's Instagramming down here to drop the RA off for my side skirts to be rewrapped. You saw in my last video, they've been absolutely battered from the front. So we've got some material left over. Kev is very kindly going to rewrap my side skirts, and I'm probably going to see if we can put some sort of PPF over the front to stop this issue. They're already battered. Like, once the wrap's off for good, the side skirts need painting anyway, because even the paint's been destroyed. But the car's still wrapped for now, so we just got to get around the wrapped option. But this episode, which you're already going to see from the title, I've got another car. You'll have to wait and see more in the video of what it is. But we will be, tonight is Tuesday night. The car arrives tomorrow. It's all going to be in this video. But the car arrives tomorrow from transport from down south. And I'm really, really excited for this. This is going to be something very different to what I've got. It's going to be very exciting. It's going to be a lot more hands-on of things that we need to do. There's quite a bit to the car that needs doing, which you're going to see all that in the vlogs. So there's going to be a lot of content about this car. But anyway, I'll stop rambling. We're dropping the car off to Kev's, and the next clip or two will be the car arriving off of the transport. I forgot to tell you all, it's -5 in Scotland today. So because of that, my manifold was frozen, and I nearly didn't make it here. I had to sit and take a heat gun to my manifold and fight that and try and make my air work in time. But anyway, we are here. We are at KW Customs. Hello, Kevin. There's Kevin. Look at how good his lights are. We're back the day after. Kevin has done the side skirts. Look, lads, we are back to normal colour. I'm not taking it tonight because he's going to put some PPF over the front of them first. So that will I'll come and get this tomorrow night for the lighting. But yes, the car looks very good. Ryan, non-motive. Oh, no paps, no paps. We have another wild Ryan, the man that's always appearing in the videos now. Beverage is what I call him, with the very dirty, what am I going to call Corsa? Very dirty Corsa. You're going to have to excuse the work clothes. I've come straight from work. The transport company has just arrived. He's just around the corner. We're going to unload the car in a minute. We'll show you what it is. Put in the comments right now, what do you think this car could be? This is a car that's been around me before. I've never owned it, but it's definitely been around me for a good while. What could this car be? I am so excited. Oh, look, there it is. We'll see you in a minute. So you've seen it come off the trailer. How many of you know whose it was, where it's come from? And any of you that are new to my channels and you don't, this was actually my brother's. I'll throw his Instagram down here. He's had this car since 2013. It's a Nissan S30 180SX. S30? Too used to that. S13 180SX. I'll show you more around it in a moment. It's had absolutely everything done to it. It's been neglected. It's sat around for a good few years because my brother's now a pilot. He just gets way too busy. First of all, it don't start anymore. We know it's a starter motor. Well, we know the starter motor was on its way out, so we're going to get a new starter motor in it now. I ordered that yesterday, got here today. high torque upgraded one. So me and Bevy are going to get that in, try and get some power on it today. And then this is going to become a little bit of a series on the channel. There's a lot of stuff that needs doing on it. Again, as I said, I'll show you through it with just more TLC stuff than anything. Mechanically, it's pretty solid as far as we know. So let's get in and get it going. Bevy is already getting it on the ramp ready for us. Side skirts are off already. We're going to get this up in the air. I'll show you the new starter in a minute. And hopefully in this video, you will see the S13 running. We're going up. The car's only been with us 30 minutes. Parts the body kit off. Car is on the ramp and going up. I have my mechanic, Bevy boy. He's already got me the starter out. Here she comes. One bad starter.
Dodgy starter.
And one fresh new one. Ready to go in. Operation S13 starting tonight. We have a car that is alive. I went MIA for a good couple of hours because there was a wiring issue. We got the start motor in, that was no bother. We traced it back to there was a wiring fault on the kill switch, but it's on, she's running. We are happy men. So look at the fumes it's kicking. We're going to run it up to temperature, throw a few things back together, give it a bit of a TLC. We are back, we are running. We need to throw the side skirts on, but what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to give it a quick clean while it's down here at offset, and then next few clips I'll give you a bit of an overhaul of what's in the car, what needs doing to the car. But I'm a happy man. Ben, the S13 is back alive. I think we're going to take all the decals off. We're going to give this car another bit of a nice look. We're on day 3. It's a Friday night, which means it's Friday night club. This man here, Bubbles, he's been MIA for like 4 months. Even he's came out. We're back with the S13. We are tonight taking all the livery off. We're going to get rid of the livery. So I've started taking a couple of stickers off here. We're going to get all of this off, both sides. Try and make it mega clean. I'm going to give it a quick pop machine so that we can get all the old glue off of the wrap. And then that will probably be as much. At the end of this video, I'm going to put in some cool cinematics of once the livery's off and how it's going to be for the end of the video. But this is going to be a sick little series. Work things. This is offset work. This is side work. The boys are getting the decals off. We're going to then try and blast this with a machine and see if we can get a load of it off. This is one of the things that we need to deal with. We've got quite a lot of filler that's lifted. So here, where the brake light was, where the wiper was, this bit's pretty bad. But it'll be all right. This side's off. Why are you hiding? Did you not? No. Look.
Hello.
Where have you been for the last 6 months?
Hiding from you.
Dinner time.
Yeah.
Sorry. Just trying to move them in case they were warm for the dogs. Thank
Hello.
you. Oh no.
Ah!
No.
The sausages. The sausages are back. Oh, Snippy. The sausages are back. The lads are on the food break. We're getting there. Stickers are off this side. Stickers are off this side. This side's polished, but I'll show you at the end. Anyway, it's food time. We're going to see Ross. Ross likes being on camera. Ross, are you doing a good job? See, look, Ross likes being on camera. Ross is doing the last of the
Can we just pay attention to his sight joggies?
sight joggers.
Tremendous. Sight. Tremendous.
Do you want, without Jordan interrupting it, the boys have pulled a shift. The stickers are nearly gone. Ross is removing the last one with his very large tub of tar and glue remover.
If anyone's got a fairly rough S chassis and wants a 340 horse Fiesta, haul at you, boy.
No, he's not doing that. But we look shiny, apart from these. I'm gonna out myself. These are bad. 20 grand and it's yours.
Well, I'm just saying, like, the wheel condition of Ben's car is just like how you take care of your wheels.
I mean, it is true.
For the polishing some wheels, distressed faces, polished lips.
We won't let Ross take the credit. Jordan won't go on camera, but Jordan did do it first. Before?
It's about who?
Oh! So, the lips will come back up. Oh. This is so that they know that you've done it. Nice bit of metal polish and battered faces. That is it. Today is Saturday. This video is dropping tomorrow, Sunday. The car is no decals. We dealt with the starter motor issue. We also had a wiring issue on the kill switch. The wire had fried itself. This car got wired like 9 years ago. So I had to trace that, got that dealt with. There is still a few gremlins in the wiring issues, but I'm going to go into that in more videos further down the line so that we can make a cool little series of this, of everything I do. Wheels need some TLC. We're going to do something about the bodywork and the kit that's on it. But I am really, really excited for this car. I think this is going to be a sick little car for the YouTube. It's a bit more relatable rather than the R8. It's already built, as where this is a far more raw car. Puts such a smile on my face driving it. We're definitely going to take it to some events. We're definitely going to take it on track, do some sideways action in it. You name it, we're doing it. What do you think? Hit me in the comments now. What do you think of this car? Anything you want to see me do to it? Any ideas that we should do to it? But apart from that, I'm going to stop waffling on. Enjoy these cinematic clips of the car after this. Hit the subscribe, smash the like, drop me a comment. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.